Hi, Nicholas. I hope you had a nice weekend. I'm just going to show you what you're going to be doing this on Monday. So the first thing you do is you look over your schedule, and these are your assignments for the day. So remember, you have social studies with Mr. Lee, and check out his folder, and PE with Mr. Robinson. Then you're going to go to your morning calendar, and you're going to click the Starfall calendar like you've been doing and interact with it. For extra practice, I gave you the username and password so you can access the other extra stuff anytime you want. Then after you listen to the Starfall calendar, you're going to complete your morning work slides. Now there's two ways you can complete these. You can move the box, or you can move the yellow circle. So you're going to read good morning. The greeting I chose today is, and then you could do it with your mother or your sister. Then you're going to name the month, the day, and the year. Now this is new. I thought it was cute. You're going to click your kids' weather, and you're going to put where you live, Little Neck, New York, and it shows you the weather for today. So today, which I'm doing this on Sunday, it was partly cloudy, 61 degrees. So I wonder what tomorrow is going to be like, Monday, today. So then you're going to tell me by either moving the yellow circle or moving the box up into the white rectangle. So when you're done with that, I want you to practice typing. So you're going to type in your name and just try the best you can. And then I provided you with an extra typing website. It's not required. You could do it when you're bored or when you have extra time. It's free, and it's really cool. Now you're going to have a new sign-in. This is iReady, which is a DOE website for reading and math. So your username and password is your OIS number, and the state you put in is New York. So you simply click on the link, put in your OIS number for your username, your OIS number for your password, and then you click New York and go, and you will see all you click is reading and then your math assignment. And then when you're done with that, you're done. So feel free, you have the whole day to do it. It's not due until the next day. And just remember to turn in your work, and I'm always proud of you, and I can't wait to see you in our Google Meet on Friday. Have a good day, Nicholas. Bye.